Vietnamese Marinated Veggies. I usually use a mandolin for its efficiency. Not only I get uniform, thin slices of veggies, but also it saves me a lot of time in the kitchen. You are free to use your favorite kitchen tool. Raw radishes are among a large variety of vegetables that we can use for this marinade. Slice thinly before marinating. Daikon is good too. It's already been peeled. What I like about the mandolin is that I can adjust the thickness of my slices by turning the screw behind. You can slice it in julienne or simply like this. It depends on your recipe or on your preference. Ready to pour the Nuoc Mam Dressing later. Next, I have here a piece of peeled Jicama, which is very crunchy, refreshing, and super sweet. One of my tricks to avoid accidental cuts is to stop slicing with the mandolin and finish the last end with a knife if needed. Next, the kohlrabi. Again, the skin has been peeled. Raw radishes are among a large variety of vegetables that we can use for this marinade. Here's a whole chayote. It's already peeled, and I need to cut it in half and remove the last skin, and then the kernel. My time-saver kitchen tool. The marinated veggies are ideal to accompany your dishes and to be added to your salads. Now this well-known and sweet vegetable. To create some lovely flower-shaped slices, I make some cuts lengthwise, just like this, with the tip of my knife. I make sure to hold tightly the carrot to make it secure. I would just continue all around the carrot, and at the end, it looks like this. Now let's slice. Sorry, I didn't zoom enough, but you may roughly see the flower-shaped slices. Simply cover the slices with the Nuoc Mam Dressing with Thuy Hang's own touch, which is another recipe from my book. Ideally, soak the slices in the refrigerator for 1 hour before serving. Many veggies together or marinate one kind at a time. It depends on your inspiration, etc. There's no specific rules here. Dried chili seeds, red Thai pepper paste, red pepper powder, fresh grated ginger, slices of fresh red Thai pepper. Season as you wish and desire. Have a wonderful experience.